Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to Mathematics and EPA channel. I'm your tutor, Mr. Opoki. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so let's look at this problem. It's on a derivative. We're asked to find a derivative of y is equals to sine squared in bracket 5x with respect to x. So how do we solve this? Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to introduce u. So I want to make u as equals to what? 5x. Now, if I do that, so we can write this in this form, y is equals to what? Sine squared what? U. Sine squared u simply means what? Sine u multiplied by what? Sine u. Okay? So that looks like what? Okay, we have y is equals like u multiplied by what? V. Okay? So we all know this, which has to do with what? Product rule. So when we have the product of two terms like this, we know that our y prime will be, we have u multiply v prime plus v multiply u prime. All right. So remember, our u is equals to what? Our u is equals to 5x, and the u over what? The x is equals to what? We have 5 multiply x to the power of 1. So all we need to do is we are going to subtract 1 from this power, okay, and multiply this by what? 1, okay. So we have it as what? 5 times 1, so 5 times 1, x to the power of what? 0. This is going to give us what? 5 times 1, okay, times 1. So 5 times 1, this is also 1. So all this is going to give us 5. So we want to take note of du over the x. Now the next thing we want to look for is we want to find our dy, okay, over what? Du using this, okay, because we have the product of this and this, all right? So we want to solve for dy du. So using this. Now let's solve for dy over du. Now the first thing is I want to label my u as equals to what? Sine u, and my v as equals to what? Sine u. Okay. So what is my u prime? Okay. My u prime here is to equals to what? Cos u, and my v prime here is to equals to what? Cos u. So the next thing is you want to multiply, diagonally. So we are going to go this way. All right. So I have, okay, for the product rule, so my dy over what? Du is going to be, so this times this. So I have sine u multiplied by what? Cos u. Okay. So we have plus, so we have now this times this. So we have sine u, okay, multiplied by what? Cos u. Okay, so you can see that this, okay, adding this is going to give us 2 sine u cos u. Okay, since they are the same, if we add them, it's going to give us 2 of it. All right, so having gotten that, we can now what? Apply, the chain rule with respect to this multiplying this. Remember, by chain rule, we have du over what? The x multiply what? The y over what? The u. So that if this cancel out this, we are left with what? The y over what? The x. Okay, because we're asked to find the derivative. The derivative means we want to find the y over what? The x. of this. So on one part, we have gotten this as what, 5. So I want to write it here, 5. Okay. So multiplied by this. Okay, because that is our dy du. So 5 is going to multiply. Let me use a bracket. So we have 2 sine u, okay, cos u. Okay, because after solving this part, replacing u as 5x, we have our dy du as all this. Okay, so this is going to simply give us 5 times 2 is 10. Now sine, okay, what is our u? Our u initially, is 5x. So I want to impute 5x, okay, back into this expression. So I have, okay, 5x and cos u, okay, we also want to use 5x. So this gives us, the final solution to this, simple problem on the derivative of sine. This gives us our simple solution to this, problem on y is equals to sine, raised to the power of 2 of 5x. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.